Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Yes, my people, I'm here again. Manners and respect to each and everyone. Yeah, so in this video, I'm going to present a certain amount of videos to you that are being talked about on social media. I'm going to talk about some videos that are being talked about on social media. So let me start off by presenting this video to you that I saw on social media. So first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a motor vehicle that crashed. Now, viewers and subscribers, what really actually caught my interest about this video is because when I first saw the video, and based on how the motor vehicle was at a certain position, you know, it made me wonder, it made me assume as to what the video was about. You see me? But when I look at the video carefully, I got the understanding that the motor vehicle crashed. Yeah, I got the understanding that the motor vehicle crashed in some type of a railing, viewers and subscribers. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video was recorded, you know, and based on the information put out there, allegedly at some point someone was operating the motor vehicle and somehow the motor vehicle crashed. So I'm going to look at the video and then you'll get to understand as to what I'm talking about. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. So look at this video right here, my people. See? So, when we see the video, look at this now. This is where we realize that something wrong. So, I wonder for me alone, but when me see the video, and based on the angle where the video started from, me assume as to what happened. Then when we look at the video carefully, we realize, okay, something definitely wrong with people. OMG, may I tell you. Alright, now, here I'm going to present a video to you that really actually caught my interest. The next video I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened when a motor vehicle caught on fire right where a gas station is at, or close to gas pumps at a gas station. The motor vehicle is caught on fire, my people. And when we look at the video, I say, OMG, what really and truly caused that? And so I say, my people, no, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where the video be recorded, even though I think I see other videos about something similar. But anyways, the point is, my people, what I saw in that video can be considered as shocking. So I could take a look at it, my people. I mean, here's a question I'm going to ask you. What would you do if you're inside of a motor vehicle at a gas station or close to a gas station and the motor vehicle somehow caught on fire? What would you do? Leave your comment and let me know. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. Look right here. Watch it. You see that? Oof. You see the fire? You see me? If the person that panic, my people, may I tell you the truth, if the person that panic, well, you know, me can't be too ready to judge the person if the person panic. You see me, I say, I want that, well on, look what I go on here, so. Look like something, well on, what is it? Ah! See what I go on. Fire extinguisher, Oh yeah, and you know, them thing that, yeah, when it comes down to the gas station, I say, yeah, me understand. But, you know, to be honest, you know, I'm not recommending anyone to do certain things because it's not like I'm a trained professional when it comes down to certain type of situations. But if me see somebody really and truly manage to stop a bad situation from getting worse by using certain things, well, you know, I can admire that, and I think I can respect a person who have the quick thinking and they know how to get certain things done. However, I'm not a professional when it comes down to certain things in emergency situations. So therefore, me can't just go give no advice. I act like, say, oh, me sure, say, oh, I that. No. You understand? But, yeah, I respect how I see the person do this. You see me? What would you do if you find yourself in a situation where you're inside of a motor vehicle that caught on fire? Leave a comment and comments and let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. So, I see a video posted on social media that have me wondering if the situation was being somewhat overrated in my point of view. See? Alright. So the video shows a motor vehicle that has KINGALARM mark on it being taken away by a wrecker. Some people might say that the motor vehicle was being towed by a wrecker motor vehicle. See? For some reason, some people make comments on social media because of the type of motor vehicle that was being taken away by a wrecker. I think it would be best if you look at the video for yourself. You can understand that's what I'm talking about, because tell me if you ever seen this happen before or anything similar like this happen before with your own two eyes. Or even on social media. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
I never see this yet in a history to skilla.
King Alarm.
King Alarm, the van red.
No man, the wrecker man you don't turn no easy. Yo, King Alarm.
Yeah.
King Alarm. You know see a wrecker you depend. I money that in your hand, daddy.
Hold on. So when I see that video there and I see the situation, the question we want to ask are, look, I wonder why. That's the question we want to ask. Why? What caused something like that to happen? There can be different reasons. You understand me, Minagas? But there can be more than one reasons as to what could have caused that to end up being taken away by a record. See? But the situation is being talked about on social media, Yeah, before we move on to another video with people, take a look at this. Screenshot right here, with people. See? You see that? You see the screenshot? It's actually a video, really and truly still. Let me play the video. It's not really a long video. Play it in slow motion. Now, do you see that sign? Do you see that sign right there, people? That sign is at a location. I don't know which location. I'm not even sure. I'm going to try and find out. But my question is, what do you think about the sign there? And if a place name so, what do you think about it? I mean, would you visit there? Leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think. So I move on to another topic, my people. Now to linger upon that one day, but for some reason that video there, when I say it's being talked about on social media, you know what I mean? Alright, now here I'm going to present pieces of videos to you that's going to show some things that happened during a situation where at least one person who was locked inside of a police motor vehicle somehow had been let out of the police motor vehicle by at least one person. And let me explain. So I got the understanding from these pieces of videos that a certain amount of persons was standing at different areas around the motor vehicle viewing subscribers. I mean, there was persons standing at the rear of the motor vehicle, and there was persons who was standing at least one of the windows of the motor vehicle viewing subscribers. At least one of these pieces of videos shows when at least one person opened a rear door of that motor vehicle and someone who was inside of the motor vehicle got out of the motor vehicle. The whole situation I've been thinking viewing subscribers. You understand me? But anyways, let's look at this video and you can tell me what you think. Oh, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video was recorded, and viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me, people. Look what I want. See that? Look there. Look carefully. Notice the color clothing what them are wear. Look. Alright, see it? Look at the color clothing. See? See? So you see one piece of the video when me say shows a person that wear a certain type of color clothing there at a certain part of the motor vehicle, and then another piece of the video shows that, I think we see a person with a color clothing will look similar at another part of the motor vehicle, while you can't see certain. It just set away. And the people, when I look at the video, I think about the word that I call distraction. Yeah, distraction. I think about distraction when I look at that video, my people. Anyways, my people, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show two persons throwing objects at each other, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened when two persons was throwing objects at each other. In my point of view, those objects were thrown by those persons with the intentions of causing hurt and pain. You see me? And the situation can be considered as a shocking one, viewers and subscribers. Now, I do got the understanding, which it is somewhat obvious that there was some type of disagreement between those two persons. And at some point, there's a confrontation and objects were thrown at each other from those persons, my people. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded. And in my point of view, I think that the video is being talked about on social media, not only because of the situation, but it's because of those objects that have been thrown and based on certain things that happened when it comes down to the situation. But you can let me know what you think. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with my people.
Hey, wait! Hey! Run! Hey! Dan! Come on, Dan! I feel like wasting my level. You're running for your life.
In my point of view, my people, it would have been better if they talk over their differences than what I saw happen in that video. Because when we see happen in the video, really and truly look away. You see? It's better than they talk over their differences. May I tell you the truth? You see? Yeah, man. Avoid them type of situations, you know? Yeah, avoid certain type of confrontation. But people, so let me know what you think about all the videos that I presented to you in this video. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.